शुक्रारा मडगावचा आमदार दिगंबर कामतीन सोनसोड्यार वचून कोयर व्यवस्थापनाची पळोवणी केली। दर 15 दिसां उपरांत ह्या सोनसोड्याक भेट दिवन कामाची पळोवणी करून कामाविशीं जाणून घेतले। तशेंच फाटले फावट सुक्या कोयरा खातीर 4 मशिनांची मागणी केल्ली। आतां मेरेन पुराय 3 मशिनां ह्या व्यवस्थापनार आसात आनी ह्या सुक्या कोयराचें काम बेगोबेग पुराय करपाचो यत्न आसा अशें दिगंबर कामतीचें म्हणणें। 2023च्या फेब्रुवारी मेरेन हे काम पुराय करपाचो यत्न आसा अशें लेविन्सन मार्टिन्सान सांगलें। ह्या पळोवणे वेळार आमदार दिगंबर कामत, लेविन्सन मार्टिन्स आनी हेर वांगडी हाजीर आशिल्ले।
विजिट अशें थारलां फाटीं म्हजी मिटींग जाल्ली पणजे तातूंत भितर अशें थारयलां की अनलेस यू मॉनिटर समबडी मॉनिटर्स it will not be possible to resolve this issue bosun. So we said that every 15 days Levinson, since this is now we have said that solid waste management is going to be the nodal agency, so Levinson will visit every 15 days. So today we said we will visit here, and again on 25th again he will visit, and then whatever see the progress of last 15 days, what has been decided has been implemented or not, if there are any hurdles, and plan for next 15 days. त्याशिवाय तें जावपाचें ना. सो सोमाराच्यान 2 मशिनां इंडस्ट्रियल इस्टेटीक बेलिंगाचें काम चालू करतलीं. हांगा 2 आशिल्लीं ती आज काल तांणी 3 केल्या आनी आज 4थें मशीन ते सकयल घालतात. सो 4 मशिनां हांगा जातलीं बेलिंगाची. विथ दॅट ड्राय वेस्टाचो प्रॉब्लेम खूबसो रिजॉल्व जातलो.
Small things has to be tweaked here, like this waste is every day, is coming every day, so your decision has to be also every day and tweak. Payment also has to be. So we are streamlining, and sir has said every 15 days we are going to visit here and review everything. But time being, after this shed will be repaired, and some concessionaire will be put here to manage the waste, day-to-day waste. For that, these things are required to repair basic machinery. I think there's the second part is the legacy waste. Legacy waste by February we are trying to complete the entire thing. Some issue is there because of the RDF, which has to move fast. So once RDF if is not moving, then we are not getting enough space to put more machinery there. So however, because now is the fair season, so we have to before monsoon. But before February, we are aiming to complete the entire remediation.